So there's tons of misinformation out there. I think Antonio did a great job synthesizing that information. He has a whole Mythbusters section that I think really narrowed down, what blockchain is, what the applications are, and some things to think about as you think about applying them to your business, or even if you want to do a startup.
I think it's been really helpful, especially this morning, separate some of the hype from the reality, get a lot better way of the land and the ecosystem, understand what's starting to happen with it out there in the world, and give me a lot better idea about how we may be able to take advantage of this new technology, new developments.
It combines both. So there's something for the management, there's something for the founders and the business people, and there's something for the tech people. Well, off the back that it's a whole day, there's a lot of information you can get versus 20-minute presentation you get at a meetup that's at the end of the day somewhere.
The instructors are very well educated, and they're doing a good job and teaching people how to understand and implement blockchain to your own business and your work environment.
In terms of the interaction with the class, it looks like a lot of people from different backgrounds. It added to the richness of the experience with the class. I could see that there were people that had technology backgrounds as well as people that just had business backgrounds.
I came here kind of as a novice, like many of us are, I would say, who think that blockchain is the same as cryptocurrency. But what I got out of this amazing seminar is actually that blockchain can help us to identify certain privacy issues and encryptonize them in a way that we can use them in a different way.
So I can take this to my company, I can take this to my peers, I can take this to the meetups that I go to, and actually know a little more what I'm talking about and have a context for what's going on.
I think a lot of people were originally excited about blockchain because of Bitcoin and some speculative things, and now that some of that died down, their attention may be elsewhere. And I think that for their future in information technology and business is something that they need to refocus on and understand what the practical uses are and how this thing is really going to grow into the future.
As I look at things like ICOs and cryptocurrencies and tokens and some of the stuff that Roberto and Antonio touched on, I'm much more educated on even how to invest in some of these technologies going forward, and I give the class an A+.
The context is the biggest thing that I'm getting out of this. Some things you can look up, some things you can figure out, but the context and the people to see where the things are going is what actually truly matters and what makes a difference at the end of the day.
Hopefully, we look back 5 years after, we can say we made a new history today.